Ka Tripura Council kan play ka Skul Hanot Tripura nam taki khasi ki basa hak te jela bar ikanik school ke ban hikai de keten pareng on ai keteng ka Tirot sing Memorial School. Ye kan nila ya thu da nelam ka seng Tripura Mortha Party ke bar tipru kum ka Tripura Indigenous Progressive Regional Alliance kebayalam da upradiot Bikram Manikya de Perman hadin blawai ke jingilang jong shipau tri ki District Council hasilong mentakasngi ka shipau tri noila ajrap saw udip balmano ya thuru ba on aja karu ika kasih autonomous council ika jantihi autonomous council bat kumju ika karuhus autonomous council bakin te yaki kesau hakate ki jela wal ong ba kani kadai ka jingsdang ban ya buram malkel yang hapadeng girelum jangan ka touch telam ngi ka India.
Today it is also incumbent on us today since there's a local media here. We have decided that there was a school in North Tripura which is habited by the Khasi community, and we've decided to open up a school for them. They're from our council, an English medium school, and we are also giving it a name, Tirot Memorial School. I think Pramod Boro himself has offered something in Sri Rampur for us to open up our offices. I've offered land in the TTADC for the KHEDC, GHEDC and the Jayanti Hills District Council to open up their bhavans or guest houses. So I think it is very important that we first start respecting and honoring each other. And regarding the livelihood, the question which you asked, the biggest problem in Northeast is infiltration. An unstable Bangladesh will allow them, the open borders that we have is a threat to our future and our survival. If the government of India needs to protect the indigenous people of Northeast, they will have to give us land rights, they will have to give us economic power, and they have to constitutionally protect us. What is happening is that with the open borders with Bangladesh, we are under immediate threat, and India's entire strategy on Bangladesh was based on one family, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Today, that family is no longer relevant in Bangladesh as of today, and India's plan B has to protect its own people first, rather than give asylum and allow people from Bangladesh to cross over here and flood our population.
Can you elaborate more